Hello everyone, welcome to the Programming in C class. In the series of learning a C program, we have discussed in the previous video that what is a function and how to pass the parameter to the function, what are the actual parameters, what are the formal parameters, and the way of passing the parameters to the function, like passing the parameters by the value and passing parameters by references. That things we have discussed in the previous video, and in this video we will see the variable declarations, where we can declare the variables. The way we are declaring the variables can affect further programs, like we can declare the variables globally and we can declare the variables locally also. How does the local variables are going to be useful, and how does global variables are going to be used? Only these are the way, or any other ways we are having to declare the variables? Let us see that things in this video. Okay, so the local and global variables, and yes, passing the parameters. A scope in any programming is a region of a program where defined variables can have its existence, and beyond that variables it cannot be accessed. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 3 ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ದ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಏನು? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ದಟ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇನ್ಗಿನ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎನಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್, that we call it as a global declaration. Another way is, yes, in the function parameters, if you are passing, that are called as a formal parameters. Okay, adana ನಾವು formal parameters ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So let us understand what are this. What is a local variable? Local variable ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Local variable ಅಂದ್ರೆ the variable that are declared inside the function or a block. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ದೀಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಲೋಕಲಿ ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಏನು ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಲೋಕಲಿ ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಲೋಕಲ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟು that function only, not outside that function. ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. only in that function you can access it. That is what they can be used only by the statements that are inside that particular function where you have declared, ಅಥವಾ that particular block where you have declared. ಆ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆ ಬ್ಲಾಕಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Local variables are not known to the function outside their own. Okay, so ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೊರಗಡೆ access ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So the example shown how local variables are used. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Declaration is a locally done and initialization we did, and we are adding the variables, and the result a ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, b ಅಂದ್ರೇನು, and then c value a b ಅಂದ್ರೆ addition of a plus b. So this has been shown in this program. Here all the 3 variables a b c, 3 variables ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ local to the function. ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ? ಮೇನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ. right? This is what a local variable. Then we have global declaration. Global variables are defined outside the function. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಸ್, ಮೇನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಕ್ಲೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, so that we call it as a global declaration. Can be used anywhere in the program. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು global declaration. Global variables hold their value throughout the lifetime of the program, and they can be accessed inside of any function defined in the program. not only in this function, any functions if defined, there also you can access it. That is what a global declarations ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. The global variables can be accessed by any function. That is, a global variable is available for throughout the entire program for its declaration, and the example is, this is what the example. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿದೆ global declaration, this function ಕಿಂತ before outside the function ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, that is g, and a and b are the local variables where I am not declaring a g inside this function, still it works because it was declared globally. ಇದನ್ನು globally declare ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. That's why this is a global declaration. Here is one more example we are having. Okay, so let us see that how the formal parameters are treated as a local variables to that particular function. A formal parameters ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, local variables. So that the types of variable declarations are two, either global or local variables. In one function a is equal to 20 ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, this is a global declaration. Okay, and then ಇಲ್ಲಿ a b ಏನಿದಾವಲ್ಲ, a b c, these are the local declaration, local variable declarations. Okay, then I perform like sum of a comma b, right? Sum of a comma b ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so like a and b value 10 20 will be passes here and result will be stored in a c. C initially was 0 and now c prints as a yes, c is going to be printing as the value 30. But see the function of two integers, see here a and b, this function whether these variables are going to be passing or the variables declared in a is going to be passed. Okay, so that is what the print the value of a and b. So it returns a plus b will be returned, and then it is going to be performance. See here the value of the output of this function is, see, like value of a in main, it means 10 it displays. Then see, this is before function calling I was writing, that's why it is taking only local variables. Then after here I called a function like sum. After calling a function, this is a called function sum. In this a will be passed what? The a will be 20, right? And then b will be 10. Okay, the value of c is in a sum. Okay, so that is what in a main actually it is. The value of c in a main in the 10 c is equal to what we had a 0. So a was 20 and b was not the value over there, right? And a plus 0, a value was okay, so it performs, then it returns the values to this one. That is what we have a thing. Then the value of b in a sum, that is b is what function, like in a functionally we are using like a, it's a 20, okay, and then result is 10 plus 20 30. Let us see the difference between actual and the formal parameters. ಏನು differences actual parameters and the formal parameters? An ordered list of the parameters which include the at the time of definition ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, formal. ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ definition, yes, function define ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ in definition these are, okay, defining function these are called as a formal. Actual parameters ಅಂದರೆ, yes, the values where while passing to the function, we are passing to the function are called. There are ordered list of parameters which are included at the time of function call. Function call timing ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, so that are called as an formal parameter. Definition timing ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು formal parameters, and calling function ದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು actual parameters. ಅಂದರೆ the variables or values passing to the function or variables or values received by the function. Okay, the data types need to be mentioned. ಇಲ್ಲಿ declaration type ಗೆ data types ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, then data types need not to declare but should be matched to the corresponding declaration. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈ corresponding integer type ಗೆ match ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. These variables with their data types. Okay, the respective data types here we are using. There are the only definition of the input data types. There are to show which type of the data should be given as a input while calling the function, and there are actual values which are given input to the called function. This is the difference between formal parameters and actual parameters. Even though in a last video also we have discussed what are the formal parameters and actual parameters. Let us see how global variables and local variables affects in the C program. Okay, see here in this program I have declared globally A and B, okay, and then we use the one function also, then main. I have declared the variables locally also x and y. This x and y variables are local declaration, and A and B are the global declarations. Okay, so let us try to execute a program. What does it displays? It means it goes control to the main local variables, and local variables what we are having x and y. Okay, so it prints the x and y. But here is a function we are using functions we are using x comma y, but you cannot use it here, right? So because I made it comment, it is not going to be executed. Then only one line prints, that is your local variables are 100 and 200. 100 and 200 it displays as a local variable. Then I use a function. In this function I am passing a global variables like a and b are the global variables. Though I am not declaring inside the function, it does not display any errors. Okay, so see, global variables are 10, 20, and your local variables are 100 and 200. What happened here? Global variable like 10 and 20 we are passing to the function, and that pass function will come here, and then we are defining it. Though we are changing, it is not going to be affecting. Okay, so that is what we are going to be declaring as an variables. Okay, then no, don't need this one. Okay, suppose if I am printing here x comma y, whether am I able to print? Let us check. You cannot. You get a error. Why? Because undefined symbol. For A and B I did not get the undefined symbol. Why? Because they are globally declared, but here I am using as a local declaration. Okay, fine. So if you don't want to use, then let us try in this way. Still you get an error because your x and y values are globally declared. But if I make it local declaration, see now, yes, your local declaration is now working because your x and y you are defining locally to this function. These are locally, that's why formal parameters are also considered as a local declaration. They are local to this one. Hope you understood. These are the formal parameters, these are local declarations, and then this is A and B is declaration is a global declaration where you can hope you understood the declarations of see here, though you have a x and y. Okay, I'll print now A and B. A comma B. Let us check out how does the result will. See, global variables 10, 20, and your local variables are 100 and 200. So though I am not defining in this function, but still I can use outside the main also. Wherever in the program, wherever you want, you can use it. That's why we can say that this is a global declaration which will help you for declaring the variable or using the variables throughout the function. Hope you understood about what is the function declare, how the global and local variables and formal parameters are used in a C program. Thank you for watching this video.